Gawin mo itong exercise para lumiit ang iyong puson.
Leg raises. Leg raises are one of the most effective abdominal exercises that you can do to improve core stability and strengthen the lower back. Source: this basic exercise also targets the hip flexors and hamstrings, which makes it effective for improving posture. Reverse crunch. What are the benefits of the reverse crunch? Strengthens your rectus abdominis. The reverse crunch primarily works your rectus abdominis, your six-pack, takes strain off your neck, less stressful on your back than crunches, targets other core muscles, easy to set up. Scissor kicks. Benefits of a scissor kicks. The scissor kick exercise works your core muscles, glutes, quads, and adductors. Engaging your core muscles is what allows you to flutter your legs up and down. The core muscles include the rectus abdominis, obliques, transverse abdominis, and the hip flexors. Bicycle crunches. Adding bicycle crunches to your workout routine helps to increase core strength, slims down your waist, and improves your stability and flexibility. This exercise works your abs and obliques, and because it keeps your body moving constantly, boosts your heart rate, and burns even more calories. Raised leg circle. Raised leg circles are typically done to grow and strengthen your hip flexors or core muscles like your abs and obliques. Motivation counts of the day. Be stronger than your excuses.